Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's mathematics class, we want to solve an Olympiad mathematics question, an exponential equation. The question is given that if 9 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x is equal to 702, then what will be the value of x? Kindly subscribe to the channel and also please watch till the end. I am going to be detailed. Therefore, solution to the given question. It is given to me to solve 9 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x equal to 702. First and foremost, 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 2. So I can represent 9 as 3 raised to the power 2. And that becomes 3 raised to the power 2, then raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x. I can now move 702 from the right to the left to become minus 702 equal to 0. Okay, now I can switch the position of the exponents to have it written as 3 raised to the power x, then raised to the power 2 minus 3 raised to the power x minus 702 is equal to 0. You see, in laws of indices or exponential law, if I have a raised to the power x, y, it can be written as a raised to the power yx because multiplication is commutative, so it's not a problem. And that is what I have just done here by switching the exponents. Now, let letter t be equal to 3 raised to the power x. Anywhere I see 3 raised to the power x, I will replace it with the letter t. And that becomes for me here t raised to the power 2, then 3 raised to the power x also becomes t, then minus 702 equal to 0. If you look at this, it is a quadratic equation, alright? So we can use any of the methods of quadratic equation in solving it. Let us go by quadratic formula. And in quadratic formula, the value of a in this equation is equal to 1. The value of b is equal to negative 1. Okay? Whereas the value of c is negative 702. Okay? Now, why quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a, wherein the value of b is minus 1. I have minus minus 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared, then minus 4 multiplied by a, and a is 1, multiplied by c, and c is minus 702. Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1, which is the value of a. Alright, minus minus is going to give me plus 1, then plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared will give me a positive 1. Minus multiplied by minus will give me plus, and then 4 multiplied 702 is going to give me 2808. Very correct. All divided by 2. And this is equal to plus 1 plus or minus the square root of 2809, all divided by 2. Very correct. Moving forward, you can agree with me. I will have the square root of 2809 is 53. That is 53, all divided by 2. And this implies that from here, the value of t now will be 1 plus 53 all over 2, or t will be equal to 1 minus 53 all over 2. So from here, t will now be equal to 54 over 2 is equal to 27. And here, the value of t will be minus 52 over 2, which is equal to minus 26. Now that I have gotten two values of t, but remember we said let t be equal to 3 raised to the power x, we can now substitute the value of t to get the actual value of x, which is what we are required to solve. You know, mathematics is life. Do you remember to subscribe to my channel, Tutor Cletus Okoli? Alright, moving forward. Okay, recall, okay, recall that we said that t is equal to 3 raised to the power x, but t here is equal to 27. 27 now is equal to 3 raised to the power x, but 27 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 3 equal to 3 raised to the power x. So when the bases are equal, the exponents becomes equal, meaning that the value of x is equal to 3. Let's check the second case where t is equal to negative 26. Alright, can we have minus 26, that is moving from here, equal to 3 raised to the power x? Because it's an exponent, x is the power of 3. We cannot get this place to be negative, okay? Therefore, this should be rejected. This should be rejected, meaning that the value of x is equal to 3 as the final answer. If you don't mind, we can quickly check the result. Let us check the result first. Check result. What does it mean? Replacing the value of x equal to 3 into the given question. Alright, the given question is 9 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x equal to 702. We want to see when the value of x is replaced, substituted to be 3 as gotten, will the left hand side and right hand side be equal? That is what we want to find out. Therefore, here 9 raised to the power 3 minus 3 raised to the power 3. Will this be equal to 702? We want to find out. For 9 raised to the power 3 is 729 and 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. So, we want to find out. And you can see with me that 29 minus 27 is 2. Therefore, we have 702 is equal to 702. Implying that the value of x is actually, as we have gotten, equal to 3. Thank you, dear friends, for watching to the end. Subscribe to my channel and share the video.